Good day, folks. This is Greg Judy at Green Pastures Farm. Today, I am giving a plug for the conference that I'll be actually teaching at Hudson, New York at Churchtown Dairy. It's an advanced grazing workshop. It's a one-day event, September 15th. Starts at 8:30 and it runs till 4. And I will be the sole speaker putting on the workshop and basically highlighting all the successes and failures of setting up and running a profitable grazing operation. There's going to be all different kinds of topics. There's going to be times for lots of questions from the audience. And if you've never been to Churchtown Dairy, it's an awesome place. It's just a beautiful setup. It's got some really nice buildings on it. It's got actually has its own cheese cave there, and they do. It's just a beautiful dairy. They've got it set up where it's just state of the art. And anyway, it's going to be a good time. Maybe see some of y'all there. It's September 15th at Churchtown Dairy at Hudson, New York. Hope to see some of y'all there. Have a good one. Take care.